So in this question, we are asked to find the square root of 14 minus 4 root 6. So we have that let the square root of 14 minus 4 root 6 be root m minus root n. So that is to mean that the root of 14 minus 4 root 6 will be equal to root m minus root n. The first step here is that we are going to square both sides. So therefore, we have that square will take out root. So at the left-hand side, we have 14 minus 4 root 6. Also, at the right-hand side, we have m minus 2 multiplied by root m n plus n. When you expand this bracket, you are going to obtain this expression here. So we have that this is 14 minus 4 root 6 equal to, we can rearrange the right hand side, we have m plus n minus 2 root m n. So at this point, 14 will be equated to m plus n, and also minus 4 root 6 will be equated to minus 2 root m. So as we begin to equate terms, this becomes m plus n equal to 14. Let's go here equation 1, and we have minus 2 multiplied by root m n equal to minus 4 multiplied by root 6. So minus here, we cancel that minus here. If 2 divides itself, we have 1. If 2 come into 4, we are left with 2. So therefore, we have root m n is equal to 2 root 6. Now, to eliminate this square root here, we can take the square of both sides. So therefore, this becomes mn equal to 2 root 6 or squared. And this is equal to 4 times 6, which is equal to 24. So we have that mn is equal to 24. Let's go here equation 2. Now, the next step is that we are going to solve equation 1 and equation 2 simultaneously to be able to obtain the values of m and n. So we have that for equation 1, we have m plus n equal to 14. And for equation 2, we have m n equal to 24. So equation 1 and equation 2. For 1, we can make m the subject. So we have that m is equal to 14 minus n. So we will substitute this expression into equation 2. So we have that this becomes 14 minus n, all multiplied by n, equal to 24. So 14 times n is 14n, minus n times n is minus n squared equal to 24. So if we rearrange, we have that this becomes n squared minus 14n plus 24 equal to 0. Now let us provide the solution for this quadratic equation. So we look for two integers that their sum is equal to negative 14 and their product is equal to 24. The two integers are minus 12 and minus 2, because minus 12 plus minus 2 is minus 14, and minus 12 times minus 2 is 24. So we have minus 12 and minus 2. So this becomes n squared minus 2n minus 12n plus 24 equal to 0. So if we group them, this becomes n, open bracket, n minus 2 minus 12, open bracket, n minus 2 equal to 0. Now we are going to factor out n minus 2 and we'll combine n and minus 12. So we have n minus 12 multiplied by n minus 2 equal to 0. So we have it that n minus 12 is equal to 0, or n minus 2 is equal to 0. So therefore n is equal to 12, or n is equal to 2. Now, having obtained the values of n, we will substitute this value into equation 1 to obtain the values of m. So from equation 1, we have that m plus n is equal to 14. So for n equal to 12, we have that m plus 12 is equal to 14. So m is equal to 14 minus 12. M is equal to 2. Also, for n equal to 2, we have that m plus 2 is equal to 14. So we have that m is equal to 14 minus 2. So m is equal to 12. So we have it that m is equal to 2 and n is equal to 12. Also, we have m equal to 12 and n is equal to 2. So therefore, the square root of 14 minus 4 root 6 is giving us root m minus root n. So this will be equal to root of 2 minus root 12, but root 12 can be simplified to be 2 root 3. So therefore, this becomes root 2 minus 2 root 3. Or we have it that this is giving us root of 12 minus root of 2. And recall that root 12 is simplified to be 2 root 3. So this becomes 2 root 3 minus root 2. Thank you so much for watching. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. And please like this video. By doing that, you are encouraging us to do more videos. Thank you for doing that. Bye.